Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Repurposing old tires into creative crafts is an eco-friendly way to give new life to a common waste material. Here are some do-it-yourself old tires crafts ideas. Tire planters. Cut the tire in half horizontally to create a shallow basin. Paint the outer surface in vibrant color. Fill it with soil and plant flowers or small shrubs. Tire swing. Hang a tire from a sturdy tree branch using strong ropes or chains. Ensure it's securely attached and safe for swinging. Tire ottoman or seat. Clean the tire thoroughly and paint it if desired. Add a cushion or foam padding to the top or wrap it with fabric or rope for a comfortable seat. Tire sandbox. Cut a tire in half horizontally and bury it halfway into the ground. Fill it with sand to create a mini sandbox for kids. Tire pond or water feature. Dig a hole and partially bury a tire. Line it with the pond liner and fill it with water for a small garden pond. Tire table. Stack several tires and attach a round piece of wood or glass to the top for a unique table. Tire art. Paint tires in various colors and stack or arrange them artistically in your garden. Tire garden edging. Cut tires into sections and use them as edging for flowers beds or vegetables gardens. Tire flower bed. Paint and stack multiple tires to create a tired flower bed. Tire rope ottoman. Coil a long rope around a tire and glue it in place to create a decorative ottoman. Tire tread doormat. Cut the tire into thin strips to create a rugged doormat. Tire swing shelf. Attach a tire horizontally to the wall and use it as a shelf or display rack. Tire pet bed. Place a cushion or pet bed inside a clean tire for a comfy pet bed. Tire Christmas tree. Paint tires green and stack them in a tree-like shape. Add ornament and lights for a festive decoration. Tire gardens tools. Paint and stack tires to create gardens tools or small tables. Remember to wear safety gears including gloves and eye protection when working with tires. And be sure to properly clean and prepare the tire before starting your project. Additionally, some of these crafts may require specific tools and materials, so plan accordingly and exercise caution when cutting or manipulating tires. Thanks.